everybody, it's your girl Kim and I'm back again with another video. Yay, yay, yay. What's up to all my MVP riders? Thank you for always supporting me and watching everything I post. I truly appreciate it, and because of you, your girl keep posting. Thank you for always supporting me. Now y'all know I said I was going to come back with my semi-annual sale haul, and I got like 2 big bags and a couple of small bags. So let's get into it because I don't want to draw this video out, and it is super hot. So I got my Stanley cup, y'all. Love it. I have not found the other one yet, the blue one, the teal blue one, the Tiffany blue. Haven't found it yet, but I'm satisfied with just this one. I love this. I do have a video on it. I will link it at the top so you can see. But amazing. So let's get into the video. Let's start with the body care. This is the body care bag. 3 bags of body care, 3 small bags, because if y'all don't know, I did shop like 7 stores. I did shop 7 stores, so I bought a little bit from just about all of the stores. The first things I got was the bubblegum pop body care body mist, as well as the shower gel. I don't think there's a lotion, but I actually really wanted this, and I really do like the way it smells. It actually smells just like bubblegum, but I think I'm gonna pair this with probably like a floral perfume to give that floral perfume a slightly sweeter scent. So yes, this will be more of my body scent, whereas the perfume will be more of my clothes scent. So yeah, this is super sweet. It smells really good. I'm not sure if they're gonna come out with the lotion or not, and this item was 50% off. I like it. I really like it. And I know it is coming out very sweet, sugary. If you don't like super sweet scents, you probably won't like this. It's amazing. And then the scent notes to this is bubblegum, sugar, candy fruit, and citrus burst. I don't really get citrus from this. I don't get citrus. I most definitely get like a fruity, sugary scent from this. It's really good. I got this. I don't usually buy a lot of their fine fragrance mist because I find myself not really using it, but some scents I will grab just for blending purposes. So that was the reason why I got this. Cashmere Glow, peach, lily, vanilla, and musk. I don't know why I got this, but I did, and I think this was 75% off, I believe. I'm not sure why I got this. I don't know, but let me smell it. This is actually really good. More of a vanilla slash peach, a creamy scent. So maybe that's why I got it, to blend more with my vanilla based type of fragrances. So yes, this is Cashmere Glow. It's nice. I like it. Nice soft scent. I smell more vanilla than anything. This was the only aromatherapy they had, and this is Rose Magnolia. I grabbed that. But because it was 75%, I could not leave this behind because I absolutely love aromatherapy. Yes, this is good. Rose. It almost kind of smelled like Jergens, and I don't know why I refer to anything with that rose scent as Jergens lotion, but it kind of remind me of. So yeah, I decided to get this because it was 75% off. This was another 75% off item, I believe, which is the In the Stars bubble bath. I decided to grab this because I finally got the Feeling Loved hand sanitizer, which is Vanilla Cloud. I've been looking for this, and I really didn't want to pay regular price. I did find it in the store at regular price before the sale, but I wasn't paying regular price. I got more than enough hand sanitizer, so to get this for the 75% price point, it was a go. And then the next collection I got is Fresh Getaway. You know, when I went into the store and I got the whole collection, well, not the whole collection, but the body mist and the shower gel, they did not have the lotion. And I actually thought that these bottles was the lotion. That's the reason why when I first seen it, I did not grab it, because I thought these were lotions. But they're shower gels. It's just that the bottles is different. I didn't even know that, because I most definitely passed up on them. But if you don't know, this is really nice. It's a fresh scent. If you love a fresh scented fragrance, you will love this. And then at the 75% price point, why not stock up if that's your favorite scent? And the scent notes is yuzu citrus and ocean air. So this is good for 75% off. It was a go for me. So yeah. The next collection that everybody used to go crazy for is white t-shirt. I remember when this scent first dropped, everybody was going crazy. Everybody wanted this scent, this body care, the white t-shirt. Everybody wanted it, and it is fresh white t-shirt, lavender, musk, and sandalwood. So I did grab this. I don't even know what this smells like. I think I have the candle, and I think I burned the candle maybe once. But I feel like a fresh scent is really good for like when you get out the shower and you just kind of want to, you know, your nighttime shower, and you want a nice, fresh, clean scent. I think that's what this is good for. But let's smell it. Yes, most definitely fresh. Lavender, most definitely. Sandalwood. Sandalwood is going to give it more of that creamy scent. Pear. I didn't even see pear. And I love just about anything that has pear in it. So this is nice. This is really nice. This is nice. The next two is, this is amazing. This is so good. Fresh coconut and cotton. Again, I got it in the body wash as well. I told you I thought these were lotions. That's why I was passing at first. But the last store I went to, I really checked, and I'm like, these are shower gels. So I grabbed them for 75% off. Why not? The scent notes is coconut, coconut, ocean breeze, beachside, cotton. So yeah. And I actually might grab another one. Yeah, I like this. Most definitely get that coconut. Fresh, clean scents. I love this, but I love just about anything with coconut. So because I used a coupon, I had a coupon for free items, so I decided to get the Summer Melanie bar soap. I had 2 coupons, so I got the Summer Melanie bar soap. I love this scent, but for some reason the lotion come off a little bit plastic like to me. So I really love the candle. The candle is amazing. You cannot go wrong if you love this Summer Melanie, but it smells a little weird like it do for me. You can't go wrong with the candle. The candle is amazing. And then to me, the candle smells a little bit different from the body care. Now I have not smelled the fine fragrance mist or the body wash. I have not smelled that, but I do have a little tube of the hand cream, and to me, every time I use it, it smells a little bit like plastic to me. I don't know what it is, but I'm not really feeling it. I did use it and I'm almost done with it, but as far as that lotion is somewhat a pass. I might try, if it goes 75%, I might try the fine fragrance mist, but as far as that lotion is a pass. So I decided to try the bar soap. I'm not a huge fan of Bath & Body Works bar soap because I feel like it's overpriced, but at the free price point, it's a go. I most definitely would use it at the free price point. I was so happy that Bath & Body Works changed that free coupon where now it's up to $8.50 on. So I was able to grab these two. Free Bumblebee. Yes. Now the next things, y'all. Oh my goodness. Let me take a sip because I'm hot. Okay, the next items. When I tell you I was super shocked to find these items in the store, and of course it is one of my treasure finds. It was something that was on my wish list, and I hope later on in the sale they put more out. I was super happy. And I kind of like, when I seen it, y'all, I was able to find that Latte collection. When I tell you I was so happy to find this one, or any of them. I was really looking for that whipped rose latte, and I did order some online, crossing my fingers that nothing goes wrong with that order. I will most definitely be heartbroken, but I was shocked to find these in the store. This is vanilla mocha cream. Is any scent notes? Yes, it is. Cappuccino, vanilla, tonka bean. Love it, love it, love it. Super happy to find this. I wish I could find the body spray or the fine fragrance mist, and I wish I could find the body wash. That would just complete my semi-annual sale wish list. If I don't find anything else, I most definitely want to find more of this, and if I come across it, I don't know if I'm about all of it, but I'm about a lot, because I love this collection. And then this one is Cozy Sunday Morning. I know a lot of people really didn't care for this one, and they did have two. They actually had three, but I left one. So yeah, so this one is lavender, vanilla, sandalwood. Oh, I was so happy to find this. So happy. I'm just hoping, I'm hoping that nothing goes wrong with my order. So yeah, that was all of the body care stuff I bought. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna do a part 2 of this video, so stay tuned for part 2. Leave in the comments your top 2 items that you found that you was like super excited about. Leave that down in the comments. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. Thumbs up the video and hit the notification bell. Hit that notification bell so y'all can be notified anytime I post a video. You'll be notified. So also use or follow my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. And I guess I'll see y'all in the part 2 of this video. So all right, peace.